this bit's got loads of them now. They're all flying in your face. I do the same thing. They all fly in your face.
Regarde qui c'est qui est là. C'est pour ça qu'il s'envolait. Lisa, Lisa. Coucou, oui. Ça va, Lisa, tu peux pas dessus. Regarde le grand.
Oh.
This feels so weird.
Oh.
Oh, that feels so
That's a
weird.
shame.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
I better get used to it because I want to get a parrot when I put my hand out.
I want to do it.
Don't bite my watch.
Huh? Oh, it goes in down straight away.
Right, well,
It's like 10 minutes to get.
it's no, because you know what? He's intrigued by. No, he won't trip. He wants to get your feet. No,
Eat it.
Oh, it's going to break it.
Don't eat it.
no, don't pull him.
I don't want it to eat my bracelet.
Now you've had it. Now you've done it.
It's going to chew through your
get
bracelet now.
Get off.
Go away. I don't want you to eat my...
Chew it. Yeah, but the thing is, Sasha, hold this. While I try and
Oh
detach
my
him
God.
from it.
Thank
Right.
you.
I got caught in that little boy's.
Because he's intrigued.
Yeah, but I've got things on both hands.
The thing is, no, he
Hello.
wants to get hold of your neck. No, look, he's trying to grab my ring now.
Andy,
But he can't do anything with
he's
it.
scratching your ring. Get on it.
Oh, no.
Move so I can take a picture then. Turn around.
What? Your glasses as
What is
well.
this? Why are you not filming?
Andy, put your head up.
Oh, no, not say a command.
Yeah, but you know why? He's interested in things he doesn't see, probably.
Can I hold him now?
It's so cute.
Oh no. Can I stroke
Yeah, the
it?
thing is, he's ever so delicate. He's not biting hard or anything. He's just trying to pick at things.
Look at his tongue's black.
The thing is, what is this anyway?
Oh, no. It's a...
Un oiseau. What is it doing?
Oh,
Andy, what's it fine? Oh, thanks, Christian. Yeah. You're back.
Oh, I'm so putting this on Facebook.
Hello. Say hello.
what are you trying to? I don't know what he's trying to do to it.
I want to hold him.
Yeah, but the thing is, you're going to get scared and probably hurt him. He's not doing anything like bad. He's just trying to be cheeky.
On him.
What do you think it is?
I think he's trying to fly off with him.
Can I hold him?
Hey, look.
I'm just going to put my rings away.
Give me the glasses.
Just sneeze. You hear it?
Give me the glasses. Oh, you're going to get bird flu.
Huh?
You're going to get bird flu.
You know what?
Bird flu.
Bird flu. That's what his head was. He's trying to do. Ah! Not the ring.
What is it doing?
I don't know. He's trying to. Stop biting me. It's not funny.
Oh, what?
Now he's getting.
He's getting angry now.
All right.
No, do you know why? Because he's thinking, stopping me from taking your glasses. That's why he's biting your hands. It wants the glasses. If you just gave him the glasses, he'd take it.
It isn't butt.
Standing on my
What is he doing?
He's standing on the glasses.
He won't be happy until he breaks them. All right. Don't get mad.
What bird is this? What is it?
I don't know, it's
Doesn't
crazy.
it say on
It
the
looks like some kind of parrot, but it's not.
It's a cockatoo.
It's not. It's just more. It's not something tropical.
It's just grabbing out.
Getting
stuff.
angry, I think.
Yeah, but what? I'm not even doing anything. He's doing everything. Trying to make him happy. Don't bite me. He's trying. I don't know what he's trying to grab onto, but he's not getting angry. He's trying to get something.
It's gonna eat me, really.
Oh god.
And it's trying to hold him.
I don't know. I'm a bit scared now.
Yeah, but the thing is, you find something hard like the nail, and then
Yeah, but I've got loads of jewellery.
Try
on.
and
It's gonna
pull the glasses
destroy
away. Do you want me to get the glasses? Hold that. Right, keep him away from the glasses a minute. You still got them?
he's trying to hold on to them. for some reason.
it. Why does he like
Oh,
them so
what?
much?
Do you want to take over with the glasses?
No.
Well, no, I'm trying to get the glasses away.
Why doesn't Christian take over?
Hold
I
the
think he
phone.
likes the glasses, but it's just...
Yeah, but we have to get the
He
glasses
has to
away from
chew
him
the
eventually.
initials a bit. Yeah, but it's, I know what's happening. He finds something hard,
Right, try and-
then he bites harder. When he gets your nail.
Come on, you're gonna have to get it off you.
Try and get the glasses away. No, hold it. I'm
He has to
not.
hold on to them.
Me?
Oh, there you go. Hold the glasses.
Yeah, but the thing is, now he's got nothing else except my nails to bite onto.
Put him away.
You get attacked by a bird. Is it still filming? I can't
Wash your
remember.
hands after.
Wash my hands. What's he going to do?
There's another one.
I'll be on the sideways.
Oh well.
Is that what you just filmed me with?
No.
Sideways.
Yeah, he did actually. He did film it all sideways.
Must have done
Doesn't
it
matter.
sideways. It does matter, because when I go to watch it,
I watched it sideways.
What?